Gastrointestinals 1, Honda EM1 OEM Lip 0. I'm not happy right now, bro. I'm not happy. There's no what's up, everybody. No, there's none of that today, bro. Let me go show you guys what happened, man. All right, first I want to see if you guys see if there's anything wrong with the car. You guys see it? Yeah, the lip. So I was on the freeway, right? I was driving to the store to get some stuff. It is a friend's birthday party today, so you know, I was on the freeway just coasting, chilling, and then I did a lane change. And when I did the lane change, I saw a dead carcass, and then I just hear boom. Ёбаный в рот. So I was like on lane number 3, and then I did a lane change to lane number 2, and that's when I saw the animal. It was too late. It was dead already. It was too late. Like, you know, I didn't fully merge, so that's why only that side I hit with this side. When I hit, I just hear the whole boom. And this whole side went flying. Like, it was the loudest bang ever. It was stupid loud. And so this lip is now, you know, rest in peace to that lip. I got off the freeway immediately, and then you know, I literally thought the whole front end was gone. I thought all this right here was like dented in, headlight, everything. I thought all that was gone, but no. To my surprise, it was just, you know, just a lip that took a hit. But there is blood and guts. Look. Speaking of guts, let me show you guys in the back. I'm not sure how good we're gonna be able to see, but oh, look right there. That's freaking nasty. Oh, that looks like. Oh, it looks like some gastrointestinal. That's disgusting. There's blood right here. There's like, it almost looks like assembly lube. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like camshaft assembly lube, but I'm not touching that. I'm pretty sure there's more over there. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's nasty. But I'm telling you, the front of the car is perfectly aligned. You know, hood is good. The headlight here is good. This fender and the hood here, oops, I hit the lid real quick. This fender and the hood here, like I told you guys, I'm missing one of the bolts there. When I had installed this, you know, it lines up perfectly like how this side does here, right? But yeah, look. Other than this part just popping off a bit, you know, this side came flying off. So, still looks pretty though. I'll continue this video tomorrow in the morning. All right, so I'm back here. So I looked at the car, see what the damage is. So let's see. Look, that's crazy. There's already ants, like a little like colony already. Look, they're all over the lip. That's nasty. That's what exploded, man. I'm telling you, like the car here is still intact. That's the crazy part. Oh. All right, well, look at this thing right here. The lip still goes, it's still intact. But right here is where it's, yeah, right here is all bad. Doesn't even have the corner tab anymore. But anyways, well, that's some of the blood spatter there, right? That tab broke off clean right there. The rest of them are still there. Man, but under here, the car looks clean. Well, not phenomenal clean, but yeah, there's no, ooh, right there. There's a bit right there. Ooh, right there. Raw, come on, man. Gotta clean all that right there. And then over there, that piece hanging over there. That piece over there. I'll tell you like this, man. If that deer was still full intact in one piece, this front end wouldn't be here. And this thing would be maybe around here. This whole thing would be gone. But it's just the lip that took a hit. It hurts, yes, but you know, better the lip than the whole car. Because the car still runs good, man. It still runs A1, 100%. When I got back on the freeway from checking the car, I still hit VTEC real quick. I was like, lips already scratched. I heard it scraping. That's probably what this corner is all messed up. But what I really want to take a look at is the back. There's like some intestine laying back there. So let's lift up the back real quick. So this whole undercarriage got exploded. This right here, I don't even know what this is, bro. That's just nasty. I need to get rid of that right now. The rest of the undercarriage in the middle looks fine. It's just right here and the rear main suspension components, and then in the front side as well. So what the f? It's like some scene out of a Texas Chainsaw Massacre, man. Oh. What the hell is it wrapped on? Oh. Ugh. This is nasty. Gastrointestinals 1, Honda EM1 OEM Lip 0. Alright, good morning guys. So I did take off 2 of the bolts, right, that are holding it. One of them was there, and then the other one was there. Just need one more right there. This whole thing should be coming off. There we go. For these lips, there should be 9 tabs always. So there should be 3 here. 1, 2, 3. 2 plastic, 1 metal one. And same thing here. Rest in peace, rest in peace. This one got torsioned out. That one's there. So that's 6. And it should be 7, 8, 9. So that's crazy. I think this lip was already missing like 2 tabs. So I think those 2 were the ones that just went poof, went flying out. All of them is right here actually. So I don't know, maybe this one was this one, maybe right here, or this one. Yeah, one of those. But yeah, and this part's just gone. Damn. But yeah, look, the rest of the car is still, it's dirty, excuse that, but yeah, just a little bit of blood and gunk, but just that part there that I have to clean out. But yeah, other than that, I say she's still beautiful. The OEM hardware. What happens when a girl gets close to your face? All bad. So lip is out. So for now, I'll just be rocking it without a lip. If I do decide to take out the car on whatever day, I am gonna be on the hunt for another used OEM lip. No aftermarket bullshit for the M1. Hell, none of that eBay stuff. Aftermarket lips, I'm alright with, but just not, you know, crappy stuff. I do have a B&IB OEM lip EBP, but that's not going on the car. This car, I wouldn't even put it on a low mile M1 if I had to get another one. That's just like memorabilia. That's look only, no touch, you know. So yeah, that thing hasn't even seen the sun. I'll probably show you guys one day. But yeah, but I have to go look for another used OEM lip, you know, to try to get it going, because this car right now looks like Buddy from Dinosaur Train. If you guys know who Buddy is from Dinosaur Train, there's this show on PBS called Dinosaur Train. It looks like this guy right here. You know, so straight up looks like Buddy from Dinosaur Train. It's crazy how much more the lip gives it an aggressive and meaner look. Damn, this thing is dusty, man. But yeah, so I do need to hit on my boy Jesse too. Depending on what color the lip is, I might have to get it repainted to EBP. If it's EBP, then I'm good. But like I told you guys in the last video, I need to assess that bumper, this fender, and then the hood. I know the hood is taking some, you know, look at all those swirls and stuff. That's not good. And then I know it's peeling. Not peeling, but it's on its way. See, like this is all, this part of the car is all good. Look at that. But up here on the hood, yeah, like right there, that's not good right there. You know, but man, this car for reals needs to wash. You see this part is all OG right here, it's all good. But yeah, so 2024, man, should be seeing this car at Perfect Auto Collision for either these 2 things or 3 things: hood, fender, bumper, or possibly the whole car. I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll have to see, you know. We'll have to see. All that blood. Smells like shit too. Got my pressure washer set up here. Went ahead and lifted the other side already, so now I'm just doing this side. This is the side where the blood actually hit and the actual carcass slid under. So I think I got most of it done. that corner right there was really bad. But I got most of it done. Most of the water droppings are just clear now. A few little red spots there. I also pressure washed the exhaust. That was pretty, had a lot of stains on it too from the blood and whatnot. Oh, you see that hanger is the one that broke. Let me get that fixed. It's been broken for the longest. For the most part, the whole front side and the middle undercarriage is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the actual rear, man. The rear is where it's there's some gunk still there. Yeah, right there. Just need to get to that. And it still smells like blood, man. It smells nasty. If you've ever been in a lab and you've dealt with dead animals, it smells like that. Thank God it doesn't smell like rotten animal, because that's putrid. So it doesn't smell like that, but it might be still stained like on the undercarriage. Yeah, probably next time I'll probably add some soap, or might be the floor too, since all of it is falling down. It's probably just laying on the floor. But yeah, guys, other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. Crazy ass weekend. Sad to see you want to get the lip broken off, but hey, man, it is what it is. Happens, part of the car game, and you know, we just keep moving on. It's all about what you make from a situation. So, all right, guys, take care. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys next time. All right, guys, peace out.